Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces Queen. Alright, so I just wanted to... Oh, that's clean because it looks so blurry. I just wanted to give y'all a few facts about YouTube, especially the ones that I've learned, not by asking no one, but just by, observing. I know I'm probably not saying that word right, but just by, noticing things and paying attention to a few things while I'm YouTubing, watching other people's videos, and, stuff. So the first thing I want to tell you guys is when someone leave a comment on your page or your channel, under your video, try to at least go and heart the comment within 24 hours, but also try to go back and leave genuine replies and try to have a mid conversation, or just leave a genuine, or just leave a nice reply back, something that's genuine to probably start a conversation, or not. You don't have to, but I do my best by trying to go back and at least heart my comments within 24 hours. And sometimes if I feel like I need to reply back, then I will, or if it's a question, then I will reply back. Another tip is when someone has a premiere and you see the notification come up, it's okay to put your notification on, but if you ever notice on your videos or you have more likes than views, let's say I'm gonna show you something right here on the side, my homeboy Cool Cam 30, he had a video premiere. This is when I noticed it. He had a premiere come out, and people was liking it before it started showing. So he had more likes than views, and that was because the people that came to view the premiere before it started had already liked it, right? So by the time that when it's premiered and it hasn't showed, your views don't count. So when your views count is actually when the premiere starts. So you got to, if you liked it, you just go back and look at the video, watch the video, or watch a few minutes of the video, however you do it, however you support, that's you. Go back and look at the video again, so that view that you want to count. So I try not to like a video or look at the video if it's premiere until it starts. So if I want to really, really watch it, I will put my notification on so I can make sure that I try to go back and I put my notifications on because sometimes my notifications doesn't show for certain people, and it's not certain people, I guess because I've been watching y'all so long that it doesn't show me y'all notification when your video come up. So I really try to get those notifications to pop up, so I press it on there, or I have to go to your channel and find did you post a video, what's going on, why you're not posting. So I go to your channel and be like, oh, they've been posting, I just haven't gotten a notification. Okay, so another tip is if you want to use your community tab and you feel like it's worthless, it's not really doing nothing for you, the best thing to do is I post every single day, especially in the month of June. I post a would you rather question just to get it out there, and I'm starting to see it on my family channel. I start to see my Nicole channel in my notifications saying, I posted something, go check it out, or go vote. And if you're on your computer, if you scroll down, you will see everybody's community post if they posted something. Not everybody, but most of the ones. Even if they're not popular, you will see it on there anyway. But I think the best thing to do is to post on a lot, or weekly, and then you'll start seeing it in your notifications, where your subscribers will. Alright, and I think this is my last one. I'm not for sure. I can't remember all my tips. I'm trying to remember them before I post this. But another tip is, if you like want your page to get noticed by subscribers and other people, try to post a snap, not a snap, a short, like weekly or daily. Like right now I'm trying to do mine daily, and it's getting me more notice, and I'm gaining subscribers. So they're probably won't really watch my videos, I don't know, but I'm getting subscribers. I'm trying to get it to be where people are really interacting with my page, my channel. But so far that's working, is getting the subscribers and getting the comments on those videos. Some of them, not all of them. Alright, I thought of another tip. When someone, okay, let's say like someone will suggest a video for me. If I do that video, and I usually do, oh my god, I usually do the video, but I need to do one right now that I haven't done. I don't know why I haven't done it, because I'll do a wing every day. But when someone suggests a video for you, if they don't tell you that they don't want to be called out, then that's fine. But if they tell you, if they say they don't want to be called out, then don't call them out. But if they just say, oh, don't say my name, I would suggest saying their name, like, giving them a mini shout out, like, oh, okay, well, Tawala or Danny asked me to do this video, and I try to do that every time because I want to shout you out, give you the profit, give you the proper, what's that word? Hold on. Okay, I remember the word. You were giving them their props. That's why I couldn't think of this word for nothing. I've been saying for 5 minutes trying to think of this damn word. But anyways, so let's say that, one of my gang members gave me a suggestion to do a video, like Hood, Bags 804, Danny Monique, Tawala Cole. One of them gave me, a suggestion to do a video. I'm going to say, hey, I'm doing this video. Shout out to such and such for giving me this, this idea. So I think that's good, because they just let them know that you giving them a shout out, you care, you did what they asked you to do, and basically you just give them a shout out. Like you're giving them notice, get other people to check out their page as well as yours. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I feel. So I don't have any more tips, but I was just told today that you can be monetized if you have 500 or plus subscribers. I don't know how true this is. I didn't look it up. But you can be monetized with over 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. Now, if you think that's a lot, imagine the people who have been monetized before that had to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That is a lot, okay? That takes time, and more time and patience, okay? Because my family channel is at only at 1,600 watch hours, while I have over 1,000 subscribers. I'm like never there. I'm never gonna get there. That's how I feel inside. It took forever for this channel to get monetized. So, gosh, if you do have that chance to be monetized with your 500 subscribers and your 3,000 watch hours, be grateful. Just be grateful for that, because it's a lot, but it's not a lot. It's not a lot what other people had to endure to get to where they at. Alright, so this is the end of my video. I am done talking, and I just want to give a shout out to my gang, which is, Danny Monique, Hood 804, repping, Bags 804, Tawala Cole, and my children channel. Also, I do want to say, I do have something else I want to say. Hold on. This is the last thing I want to say. I probably won't even do my ending of it because I didn't work it. But I have a membership. If you did not notice, my membership is $1.90. It's 99 cents, but $1.07 with tax. And I have the $4.95, which I don't know how much it was with tax. I don't know. But anyways, so if you are a subscriber of my channel and you would like to see videos early, then become a member. It's only $1.07 a month. And if you have a membership, I will most definitely join your membership and you get all the perks that I could get possible. If you don't have any and you still have a membership, I will still be a member of your channel because I am here to support other people as well as get the support from other people. So that's all I really wanted to say. And I want to thank all my members that are members of my channel. Snapchat. I definitely am very happy that I got all you guys as members, and I appreciate you. So if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you're not a member, please consider being a member. And if you're already subscribed and already a member, then you already know that you are the real MVP. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the comments.